Hi, welcome to Spring Techie. In this video, we are going to learn different ways to create Spring Boot project. Let's start the creating the Spring Boot project using the STS. Yeah, first click on File, New, Starter Project. Yeah, name your project. Demo Spring, Demo Spring Boot. Select the type Maven, packaging style jar. Select the version you have installed. Language Java. Now name the group. And artifact and name of the project is must be maybe same. Okay, and default version and description of the project is optional, and give a project a basic base package. Click on next. Select your Spring Boot version. Don't select this snapshot version. Select only stable version and recent version 3.2.0. And in this video I'm going to only add only few dependencies, that is web. Search the web. Yeah, select the web. Click on next. Click on finish. Look here, the project getting created. Yeah, the project successfully created. Yeah, let's open the what is in the POM file. Yeah, this is the parent project, and we have the Spring Boot starter web dependency and Spring Boot starter test dependency added by defaultly. Now let us quickly run the application. Open the base package and open the main class. You can see a run method here. Now right click, run as Spring Boot app. And look here, the Tomcat started on port 8080 successfully. This is the first way to create this Spring Boot project. And I will show the second way now. To get into second way, first open the Spring IO initializer website. I provide the link in the description. Select the Maven, select the language as Java, and select the Spring Boot version 3.2.0, and give the group name as com.springtechie and artifact as Spring Boot project. Name, description, package name, packaging, jar, and select the Java version you have. If you want to add dependencies, click on add dependencies. Search here whatever your dependency you need. Suppose if you need web, search web. And if you need the theme leaf, search the theme leaf and add to the dependencies. Okay. Now click on generate. You can see the project is downloaded. Open the file, extract this file. Open the STS, click on file, import, search for the Maven and click on existing project, Maven existing projects. Click on browse, select the project, click on finish. Yeah, the project is successfully imported. Starter web and starter test are defaultly added. The starter test is defaultly added. Let us run quickly the application. Run as Spring Boot app. See here, Tomcat is started on port 8080. So by these two ways, we can create this Spring Boot project. Thanks for watching this video. I will provide the links in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe.